All Meghalaya Dancers Association hakar punyau teri kuno pra arjar arpusan kalapan kuno ya kejingi kopshat kata ka Meghalaya Superstar National Level ya ka balapan long ha State Central Library Shillong. Hagani kejingi kopshat lawan bani shimbenta da kinong shat batubet na kaleng saudong jong ki jela namar hagani kejingi kopshat la sha ya baro kat ki bakwa bani shimbenta la kibadai na Meghalaya ni na ki weipat makinwan bani shimbenta. Hagani kejing kop shan kibara ikanam job kilong MD Shahil na kanong ba Shillong junior category ukishan uji na Bhopal Assam senior category bat ka kanhun the real brother na nong ba Delhi group category kini kibajob kalayo ya ka song pisa ka trophy bat ka sernat kinong bisar hagani kejing kop shat ki kantup ya unepo unong shat hip hop bapau jongkari nang tau Abhishek unang shat bapau jongkari bodai na ka kanhun Unity One Crew ka jing penlong jong ka amda ya kani kejing kop shat ka dairu kumsi benta benrake ya kejing dap arp san snem ka kanhun nadu balaseng ya ka bat kani ka dai kum ka dak ban pli perda ya kejing rake ka ban sakhliap lama ha usnem ubanwan.
Oh yeah. Into the shade room. Got so much that funny bro. My little homegirl looking for a little weather to have fun with tonight, man. You know I got a hey you like I'm on the way. Alright, waiting on you.
But first of all, thank you so much Meghalaya Dance Association for having me. Thank you so much Kid Book Bikes and thank you so much all the team. Thank you so much Mick. I really love the vibe. So God bless you Bun. And I see the real talent, the pure talent in Shillong. And I hope कि आप लोग ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहें और शिलोंग के नाम को इंटरनेशनली भी लेके जाएं. Thank you so much.
Thank you for all the performances, all the amazing performances. Please make some noise for all the participants out here, please. Please, can we do that for each and every participant out there? Okay, first of all, for the junior solo, बहुत easy था. I mean, the competition इतना tough नहीं था.